morning, welcome to a cool and cloudy Charente here in the southwest of France. Perfect weather. We're doing a little bit in the garden. I think it's currently around 15 degrees, going to get up to around 19 later on, so yeah, hopefully there's no rain around. I'm going to make a start on, well, wrecking part of the garden, but as they say, to make an omelette you've got to break a few eggs, and so I've been a bit dubious about doing this, but the weather's perfect, and if I'm going to create a new flower bed in this area here where this laying down pear tree is, then I need to crack on and get started. So yeah, not quite sure how it's going to go. It could take 10 minutes, it could take all day, I hope not. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride. So to do this, I have to get rid of my washing line, and so yeah, what I did, I went out and I bought myself a clothes dryer. So I'll just show you what I bought, and then I'm going to get some tools out. Yeah, so got to love a bit of packaging, haven't you? Some things I do just make me look like a complete idiot. Anyway, right, so first of all, take this washing line down, and then see what's what. We'll have a little chat about what I want to do, and yeah, show you what I want to keep. So once I've taken down this wire, I can attempt to get that post out of the ground. I'm hoping, as the ground's soft, I'm going to be able to wiggle it out of there. If not, I don't want to cut it. I want to try and get it out as it is. I could cut it down level with the ground, I guess. And then I'm going to start cutting bits of this pear tree off. It actually goes over my neighbour's fence by quite a lot, so I'm going to have to take it to pieces, I think. And then gradually cut it back. I don't mind leaving some of it. I don't mind leaving the trunk down there. That's not really a problem. I can plant around it. There is a holly there, which I don't really like. Holly in the garden, a bit of a nuisance to maintain, if I'm honest. If you've got a holly in your garden, you'll know exactly what I mean. thick gloves required. I've got a Photinia, which is yeah, quite a key plant, and it's been in the garden since not long after I bought the property, and yeah, it's been through thick and thin, and I kind of want that to be the star of the show, or one of the stars anyway. So right, let's get some tools, and yeah, let's start taking this to pieces. Not perfect, it's about a foot below the surface, but it'll do. What do you think? No going back now. No going back now. Hey, yeah, I'm not sure about leaving the rest of this pear tree there. You have to let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you later.